we on? Camera's messing about. I just talked for about 5 minutes and the camera weren't on. Welcome to Wingin-It. I'm Luke Gutson with a T. This is my channel, Wingin-It. Called Wingin-It because we barely know what we're doing, but we get by. We're up in Headcorn in Kent. We paint any old shit, cars, vans, bikes, horse boxes, little trucks, random shit. Welcome back to any old viewers that are tuning in. John, Mandy, Grant's Body Repairs, alright boy, Steve Clout, my son. Who we got working with us? There's me, my mate Alan, known him forever. He's been working with us the past couple of years, training him up. Really proud of how well he's come along. He can do a job start to finish now. He can do silvers better than me, chain. But my old man, he comes out and helps, does the welding. And what's the point of this channel, you say? You tell me. I get bored easy, and I like watching some of these channels, so I thought let's have a go. I'm not the most exciting person in the world to watch, but I look weird and I don't mind doing stupid stuff. So if you enjoy watching people be stupid, working on cars, we're here. Hold on, just come up to around the corner. We got a big cat sanctuary. This is we're up by the back gate. Have a look. Anyhow, I was doing some videos before, and I don't know, I kind of run out of ideas, run out of steam. The views started going down, and we had a few jobs come back, big jobs, rectifying them. And it put me in a bit of a bad place again, so I had some time off from everything. But I feel refreshed, I feel alright. To keep me interested in doing this channel, I need views, likes, subscribers, but you have to get to 4,000 watch hours to get your channel monetised. And then it gets interesting and you've got something to work for. Do I enjoy this job? Sometimes. It's got its benefits, it's got its downfalls. I wouldn't say I'm the best painter in the world, I'm not the worst. But generally I know how to get myself out of the shit, and we get by. I've only been painting cars full time about 4 years. I was at a place, commercial place, painting lorries, buses, tippers, fucking tippers. Yeah, big agricultural stuff. 17 years. Had a year at Nationwide crash repair. That was crap, which is where I met my old business partner. We had a year together. It was called True Colours, but that didn't work out, unfortunately. Ended up losing a good mate, which weren't good. And then Alan come along. He kind of saved me mentally, helped me build the business up again, which I'm forever grateful for, Alan. I owe him a great debt. And we're on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, trending. I think that's about it at the minute. Oh, website, hudsonspaintspraying.co.uk. Come on in. Welcome to my crib. is Alan. He's a mute, but he's hung like Eeyore. Fucking bags under your eyes.
I'm tired.
Why?
Because you work me like a fucking dog.
Well, that's a little bit about us. Any feedback is greatly received, as long as it's good. Cheers.